All right, my friends, you've been asking and I've been listening. Today we're trying out my new fish seasoning. Step one, get you a sharp knife and make some little slits in your salmon, but don't cut through the skin. Now we're gonna go back against those cuts. So now your salmon should look like that. You're gonna need half a stick of unsalted butter, melted. Now it's real simple. Pour in your butter and help it get down in those little cracks. Every little nook and cranny needs some butter. Now it's time for the Dano's fish seasoning. We're gonna sprinkle generously. Remember, Dano's is not packed full of a bunch of salt. It's real herbs and spices and real flavor, and this one's made for fish. All right, now it's real easy. Let's take this outside, throw it on our smoker. Notice it's not going straight on the rack. We have something to keep it elevated so that smoke can get it underneath. Give it about 1 hour at 300. All right, y'all, it's only been 20 minutes, but I want you to see how pretty this is. Butter and fish seasoning, baby. All right, it's been 1 hour. Look at that, look at that. That's not the butter, that's the fat from the salmon. Let's go get a bite. That, my friends, is fantastic. You guys, for real, when this fish seasoning drops, it's gonna change your forever fish loving life. I'm telling y'all what, that's a 10 out of 10. You would most definitely do it again. The Yum Yum get you some. Can't wait to share this with you guys. We'll see you next time. Keep sprinkling, my friends.